Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history and make notes. First, always begin by understanding the broader context of the period you're examining. Identify the major themes and significant events that shape that era. This foundational step helps you frame your research. Next, formulate specific questions to guide your reading and analysis, ensuring a focused approach to your historical inquiry. Engaging with historical texts requires active reading. Highlight key information like names, dates, and important concepts as you go. It's crucial to evaluate both primary and secondary sources for potential biases and their overall reliability. Always cross-reference information from several sources to ensure accuracy and build a comprehensive understanding of events. Effective note-taking is vital for retaining historical information. Choose a consistent method, such as the Cornell method or outlining, to organize your thoughts. Always summarize main ideas in your own words rather than copying directly, which deepens your understanding. Remember to include source citations for all your notes. This makes it easy to refer back to original materials and verify facts later. After taking notes, the next crucial step is to review and synthesize. Regularly go over your notes to reinforce your understanding and improve memory retention. Work on connecting different historical events and concepts to form a cohesive, larger narrative. Finally, practice explaining these topics aloud to someone else. This is an excellent way to solidify your knowledge and identify any gaps in your comprehension.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.